Hey there! So let's dive into the interesting problem we have at hand. Imagine trying to access the application's URI outside of Dolphin using the CLI, only to be met with an operation not supported error. It seems like a classic case of a virtual mount not behaving as expected. Quite the hiccup, right? Now, let's shift gears and talk about the solution. It turns out that the application's URI isn't provided by GVFS as initially thought. Dolphin operates on KD frameworks and uses KIO for virtual mount functionalities. To access it from outside QTKF-based apps, you might want to explore using Kiockliat. A neat little workaround, don't you think? In summary, we've uncovered the root cause behind the inaccessibility of the application's URI from the CLI. Dolphin's foundation on KD frameworks and the utilization of KIO sheds light on why the virtual mount feature behaves differently than expected. So, with that puzzle solved, I hope you found this journey through the problem and solution insightful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Let's keep the tech conversations rolling.